Hi guys, doing and welcome to another ARC Garage video. Today I'm going to show you how to remove radio and the cup holder on Alfa Romeo 147 and GT basically without any tools. So if you like the video, hit the like button and support us by subscribing. To remove the radio, all you need is two pieces of 3mm steel wire. So what I did, I've created two of these pieces, one for each side, which basically go inside those four holes on the radio. Now what we gotta do is insert the wires right here. Pay attention that you don't damage the plastic trim. And now you can pull the radio out. You got two connectors to unplug. All you gotta do is press on these two plastic safety clips and pull the connectors out. Now the cable for antenna doesn't have any clips or anything like that. All you gotta do is pull it off. To remove the cup holder and the coin tray, I'm going to push all of the cables inside, and all I'm going to do is pull on this piece of trim right here, and it will come off just like that. Here's the closer look of the trim. As you can see right here, it's held in place by these plastic pins both on the top and bottom. Now to remove the main unit, I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna grab onto the one side and I'm gonna pull it out. It's gonna come out a little bit harder, but you shouldn't have any issues. If you have issues, you can use a flathead screwdriver or a trim tool. Here's the closer look. This main piece is held in place by these two pins on the bottom, and you got two more of those pins on the top. That would be all for this video. If you liked it, hit the like button and support our channel by subscribing.